Good morning, folks. This is what's called having a bit of fun. I just took this out of the packet. It's a Sauterelle Afer in DG. It's brand new. I have hardly played it. Actually haven't got any gaffer tape or any cable ties on, and this was designed by a great friend of mine, Sharon Shannon. And I'm sending it back to Sauterelle to Vince because I'm getting another free row. But I love this, so this is beautiful. And anyway, play a little bit of the Fox Hunters for you. Somebody asked me to play it, so here we go.